Hello everyone, my name is Shane, and today I'm going to show you how you can make use of our Injured Gadgets integration to order items directly through your RepairDesk account. To set up the integration, head to the Injured Gadgets website and log into your account. Now click on Account Information. Scroll to the bottom of the page where you'll find the RepairDesk token field. Enter an 8-digit alphanumeric code of your choice here and click Save. Once you've saved, make sure you copy the code. Now log into your RepairDesk account. Go to Integrations and select the Injured Gadgets integration. In the Introduction tab, scroll to the bottom and enter your registered email address on Injured Gadgets website. And paste the code you copied into the API token section. When you're done, click Connect. When your account is successfully connected, you'll be redirected to the SKU list screen, where you can import your desired items from Injured Gadgets catalog into your RepairDesk account. If you're new to RepairDesk and Injured Gadgets is your primary supplier, we would recommend to select all categories and click Next. Select all manufacturers. And select all devices. And click on Import Products and continue. If you're an existing RepairDesk user, during the import process, you can also map your product categories, manufacturers, and devices to the Injured Gadgets products you select. RepairDesk should be able to do this automatically and allows you to manually configure the mapping yourself. Based on your selection, RepairDesk will start importing your selected SKUs from the Injured Gadgets catalog to your RepairDesk account. One of the benefits of importing products through the RepairDesk integration is that while downloading the product catalog, it will also download the product image and the updated price to your RepairDesk account. The import process typically takes 2 to 5 minutes, and once the import is completed, you will receive an email. You can click on the Import History tab and see what inventory items were imported. Now, to order stock from Injured Gadgets, head to the Purchase Order screen and click on Add Purchase Order. Select your supplier as Injured Gadgets, and now you can enter the desired SKU or search by item name. You'll be able to see the part cost in real time, pulled directly from the Injured Gadgets website. Enter the desired quantity and then click on Add Row. You can add more items for the purchase order, or if your order is finalized, click on Save to create the purchase order. You'll now be taken to the purchase order created in RepairDesk, and when you click on the Checkout with Injured Gadgets button, you will automatically be redirected to their website with everything added into your cart. You can now check out as usual by selecting a shipping method and your preferred choice of payment. Once you have received your goods from Injured Gadgets, you can go to the purchase order and create a goods received note. You can check the quantity that you have received and then save it. This will automatically add everything to your stock levels. And then you can even choose to print labels. We hope this integration will help you streamline your repair store. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact the RepairDesk team at support@repairdesk.co. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you stay safe and healthy.